All right, welcome back. If you watched part one, you already know GoatFunded Trader has rolled out some serious updates. MT5, stocks, payout guarantees, dashboard journaling, and flexible payout options. But in this video, we're going a layer deeper. Because part two is not about how the dashboard looks or what platforms they offer. This is about how GoatFunded is trying to keep traders long-term, not just get them funded once and disappear. We're going to talk about their reward system and points ecosystem, free trading competitions, how instant funding actually fits into their model, news trading rules, and why these updates quietly change how traders can scale with the firm. So if you're someone who's thinking long-term, not just passing a challenge, but actually building consistency with a prop firm, this part is for you. Let's get into it. One of the most underrated updates GoatFunded has introduced is their reward system. Now, on the surface, it sounds simple. You earn points and spend them. But when you look closer, it's actually a loyalty ecosystem, and very few prop firms are doing this properly. Here's how it works. As you trade with GoatFunded, whether you're passing challenges, trading funded accounts, participating in competitions, or just staying active, you earn reward points. These points aren't cosmetic. You can actually redeem them inside their ecosystem for real benefits, like discounts on new accounts, upgrades, or future purchases. This does two important things. It rewards consistency, not just one lucky pass. It gives traders an incentive to stay with the firm instead of hopping from prop firm to prop firm. Most firms treat traders like disposable users. Once you fail, you're just another checkout page. This system flips that mindset. Even if you're rebuilding or scaling slowly, your activity still has value. And from a trader's perspective, that's a huge psychological edge. It feels less like pay again or leave, and more like progress compounds. Now let's talk about something that's actually fun and surprisingly valuable. GoatFunded runs free trading competitions that anyone can join. No entry fee, no hidden conditions, and the prizes aren't small either. We're talking about instant funded accounts, cash rewards, high-value prizes like iPhones and even Rolex watches. Now this might sound gimmicky at first, but it's actually smart. For newer traders, competitions give you a chance to trade in a simulated environment, compete under pressure, and potentially win a funded account without risking your own money. For experienced traders, it's an opportunity to test aggressive strategies, sharpen execution, and earn rewards without touching your main accounts. And again, you can verify all of this inside their Discord. Winners are announced publicly, results are shared, and payouts or prizes are actually delivered. This isn't a marketing lottery. It's a legit engagement tool, and one that benefits traders at every level. Now let's clear up something important: instant funding. A lot of traders misunderstand instant accounts. They think it's either easy money or a scam waiting to happen. The truth is, instant funding is a different tool, not a shortcut. With GoatFunded's instant plans, you skip the evaluation phase entirely. No profit targets, no passing challenges. But instead, you trade under tighter risk parameters from day one. This makes instant funding ideal for traders with proven discipline, lower frequency or swing traders, people who already know their edge and don't need a challenge to validate it. What I like here is that GoatFunded doesn't force instant funding as the best option. It's positioned as an alternative, not a replacement. If you're newer, challenges still make more sense. If you're experienced and risk-controlled, instant funding can be efficient. That balance matters. This one deserves its own section, because it's still a deal breaker for many traders. News trading is allowed at GoatFunded Trader. That includes high-impact economic news, CPI, NFP, FOMC events, volatility-based strategies. Now, this doesn't mean reckless gambling. Risk rules still apply. But the freedom to trade news is massive, especially for traders who specialize in volatility. Many firms still ban news trading or quietly penalize it through slippage rules. GoatFunded has taken a clearer, more trader-friendly approach. If news trading is part of your edge, you're not forced to change your strategy just to fit the firm's restrictions. That alone puts them ahead of a lot of competitors. Another thing worth mentioning is how open their community is. Their Discord isn't dead, it's active. Traders sharing, payout proofs, competition wins, account passes, feedback and questions. And this matters because transparency isn't what firms say, it's what their users show. When traders are openly posting payouts and progress without censorship, it builds trust naturally. You don't need flashy testimonials. The community becomes the proof. So when you zoom out and look at everything together, GoatFunded Trader is doing something interesting. They're not just trying to be another prop firm where pass, get paid, repeat. They're building a reward ecosystem, a community-driven environment, multiple paths for traders at different skill levels, and incentives for long-term consistency, not just short-term wins. Between the reward system, free competitions, instant funding options, news trading freedom, and transparent payouts, it's clear they're thinking beyond just selling accounts. If you're the kind of trader who wants a firm you can actually grow with, not just test once, Goat Funded is worth a serious look. As always, I'll leave their link and my 20% discount code, the DTC20, in the description below. And if you want a part 3, where we compare Goat Funded directly against other top firms, break down risk models, and talk about who this firm is not for, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.